It was a quiet night in the little town of Witherville. The stars sparkled like tiny diamonds, and the moon shone brighter than usual, as if it had something magical planned. In a cozy blue house at the edge of the forest, a little boy named Rayan was lying in bed. His soft teddy bear, Mr. Coco, sat beside him. But no matter how hard Rayan tried, he just couldn't sleep. "Mr. Coco," he whispered, "I wish something exciting would happen tonight." Just then, Rayan heard a gentle chug-chug, chug sound outside his window. Curious, he jumped out of bed, pulled the curtain aside and gasped. Right outside his room, on a silver track glowing under the moonlight, stood a beautiful, sparkling train. Its engine shimmered with stars, and each carriage glowed in different colors: pink, blue, gold, and green. The door of the first carriage opened with a soft hiss. Out stepped a smiling conductor wearing a tall silver hat. "Good evening, young dream traveler," the conductor said warmly. "This is the Moonlight Train to Dreamland. Are you coming aboard?" Rayon's eyes widened. "Dreamland? But I'm supposed to be sleeping." The conductor chuckled. "Exactly. This train runs only in dreams. But you must believe in magic to see it." Rayan looked at Mr. Coco. The teddy bear seemed to nod, as if saying, "Let's go." So Rayan put on his slippers, climbed onto the train, and off they went, whoosh, into the night sky. The first carriage was the cozy cloud room. Soft, fluffy clouds floated all around, some shaped like bunnies and others like sleepy sheep. Rayon and Mr. Coco jumped on a big, marshmallow soft cloud and bounced gently up and down. It was so comfy that Rayon almost dozed off right there. Next, they entered the Whispering Waterfall carriage. A waterfall of shimmering starlight cascaded down one wall, and the sound it made was like a beautiful lullaby. Fireflies danced in the air, leaving glowing trails behind them. Rayan dipped his hand into the starlight water, and it felt cool and tingly. Finally, they reached the Garden of Sweet Dreams. The air was filled with the scent of moonflowers and honey. Little glowing sprites flitted from flower to flower, collecting sweet dreams to give to sleeping children. One sprite handed Rayon a tiny, glowing orb. When he held it, he felt warm and happy, filled with thoughts of his favorite things: ice cream, puppies, and playing in the park. The train slowed down, and the conductor announced, "Next stop, your bed." The train pulled up right beside Rayan's window. He felt a little sad to leave, but also very, very sleepy. "Thank you for the ride," he said, giving the conductor a wave. "Will I see you again?" The conductor smiled. "Whenever you believe in magic, the Moonlight Train will be waiting." Rayan climbed back into his bed, holding Mr. Coco tight as he drifted off to sleep. He could still hear the faint chug-chug of the train and the sweet melody of the whispering waterfall. And in his dreams that night, he bounced on fluffy clouds and danced with fireflies, knowing that magic was always just a dream away. Thank you so much for listening to our story tonight. We hope it brings you the sweetest of dreams. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more magical adventures. Sleep tight.